In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your microphone automatically adjusting its volume here on Windows. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom right corner of your screen and find the little sound icon on here. Go ahead and right click on it, and then from here open up your sound settings. Scroll down on here until you see the option specifically for more sound settings and open it up. And once you do open it up, it's going to pull up a little menu that looks like this. Go into the recording tab and find your microphone on here, which mine is this Elgato Wave 3. Just double click on it to bring up the microphone properties. Go over to the advanced tab and you're going to see an option for allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Go ahead and uncheck this right here. Then of course hit apply and hit OK. From here, what you're going to want to do is disable automatic mic adjustment in Steam. This is where a lot of it does end up getting adjusted. So go ahead and search for Steam just like so and open it up. In the top left corner of Steam, go ahead and select the little Steam logo, and it's going to pull up a little page that looks like this. Go ahead and go into the settings, and then from here, go specifically in to your voice settings in here. Once you're in here, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see an advanced options. Go ahead and select show, and you're going to see these few settings right here. Disable automatic volume and gain control right here. Steam can automatically adjust your microphone volume system-wide, so turning this off is super important. As soon as you take this off, you should be good to go. But if you're still having issues, you can set your mic level manually by going back to your sound settings by right-clicking on this, opening up your sound settings, going back into more sound settings, going back into the recording tab, and from here, once again, double click on your microphone and then go to the levels tab, and this is where you can automatically adjust it and set it to whatever you'd like. This will make sure that your microphone volume is going to stay consistent and stop adjusting on its own. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.